Hello, gentlemen. This is Steven John Smith. I'm from California. Today we hear about the most popular topic: how to make money online. Guys, there is 28 methods available in the internet. You can earn money from internet. There is also a variety of products also available. Today, Steven John Smith will elaborate you, teach you our experience, and guide you how to make money online. Today, guys, we will discuss about the some tools like some gadgets, some methods which you utilize in internet. You can generate money from internet. Create an online course. Sharing knowledge is the one of the best way to make money online. If you have expert on a subject, you can monetize your knowledge by creating course online. You can sell your course on Udemy, or if you have already your own audience, you can on your website. Some entrepreneurs earn as much as 5,000 per month with online course. To create a popular and successful course, your best bet is to watch the course on your topic, then look at the reviews. What are the aspects that people praise and what are things people hate? How can you create something better than what already be created? Focus on creating content that solves the biggest complaints while emulating the positive aspects people rave about. The platform you sells your course on will determine how the best to make money. If you sells your course on Udemy, you don't have do much to promote it. You can almost set it and forget it. Maybe promote it to some blogs or on your own website. However, if the course is hosted on your own website, you might want to run ads to promote the course. You can also build an email list so you can continue to promote future course the same audience. Publish an ebook with Amazon KDP. It's never been easier to publish a book. All you need to do is write the ebook, format it, create an ebook covers, publish and promote it. Back in 2013, I create several ebooks on Amazon, took all but one down, and even though I don't make me rich, I still make some money from it. You can choose to hire a wire for your ebooks, a graphic designer to design the cover, or freelancer to format the ebook for you. Help minimize the work you need to put on it. It's best if you focus on keyword base on the popular searches and Amazon. I often use the keyword tools which allow you find out what people use while searching, so you can craft your title around it. To make money online selling ebooks, you can market uh, it in a number of ways. You can give away your ebooks for free for a few days. This helps you rank higher in search result for some times and get sub reviews, which helps your rank better for paid listing. Plus, I like to create custom graphics on the Pinterest that match the Pinterest styles rather than just placing the ebook covers as a pane. This has helped me click to my ebook from Pinterest. Start blogs. Blogging is one of the oldest method for making money online. People who love writing tend to start blogs with a niche focus. For example, a blog about the prostitution, cars, dropshipping tools, and this is the major topics you can earn money online. Guys, if you are new user, kindly subscribe our YouTube channels. It is better you can earn money from online. Thank you very much.